You're on camera.
Tracy.
Talk to the people. They're listening.
You talking to?
Well, you talk to them. I'll talk to them. Let's talk to them. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to TNT. I'm T-Bone.
And I'm Mrs. T.
Well, we're going to make a little transition here. We're going to fix these seats. We're going to rip these out and fix them up, put some new ones in. So we're going to show you how to go from this to
this.
In this pretty. Y'all stick around. We'll show you how to get her done. We are recording right now.
So what are you doing?
Waiting on you. What are you doing?
We're supposed to be taking these out of the boxes.
What you waiting on?
Why don't you get over there behind the camera and let me do this already?
Yes, dear.
What's this? Instructions? We don't need those. Hey y'all guys, y'all stick around, listen to a tune while I unbox this stuff.
Okay folks, so this is what you get with a part of a seat base for 55-inch. Now there's 2 seat bases to the long piece down here. And what you're gonna have, you're gonna take this seat, and I'm just doing this so it's easy to show you guys. I'm gonna flip it up. You're gonna have some studs in here, and all you're gonna do is screw those studs down in these holes. I'm gonna screw them up in there pretty good. I want enough to go through where they're not hanging down so far inside of the seats. So we'll screw these in. That ought to be good. I can adjust once I get up in there. And we're gonna lay our seat back down. That was my elbow. Scooch this up in here, like so. And inside of the pack, the other parts you're gonna get are gonna be some wing nuts. These screws will be for the seat bottom. So you'll put a flat washer, a lock washer, and a wing nut on each one of those studs. So y'all aren't gonna be able to see down inside of this hole down in here, so I'm just gonna pop those on right quick and we'll tighten those up, and then I'll put the next one on. If you notice, all these, they are adjustable. We kind of just eyeballed it. We used the center rib right here to kind of match the center of this, so it kind of gives us an idea. And there you have it. Okay, let us get some more pieces together and we'll be back with you in a minute. Well, there you have it, folks. We are still waiting on one piece, this one cushion for this lean back right here, but it should be in shortly, hopefully. Yeah. Let's go fishing. Go camping on the boat tonight.
Maybe if we're going camping on the boat, we're gonna need a table, like right here.
As you wish, my dear.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's go fishing.
Steve, the transit camper. This is the setup here, buddy. We have got the grill going on with some hot dogs and chili. Got the coolers. We got the new seats in. There's my lovely bride. Tell Steve's wife, baby, hello.
Hey, baby.
Got our new lights in, our new seats, and we're about to eat. You want to see the best part? Well, she's the best part, but I'll show you the second best part. Yippers, nice crappie. Only one so far. And yes, we are spending the night on the boat. We are in the middle of the lake, although I can't show you a whole heck of a lot, but just to prove it, there's the water. Look at the bugs. We're gonna catch some fish tonight. Nothing like fresh, old school percolating coffee in the morning. Small crappie and catfish got doubles, and guess what? She's snoozing. Thanks for watching, folks. We had a good time. Appreciate you tagging along with us. Y'all stick around. We've got more videos coming. We're gonna put out many as we can, get this channel off the ground. Y'all click that subscribe button and set that bell for notifications for all of our videos. Y'all have a great day from T-Bone and
Mrs. T. See y'all next time. What? kiss in there. I see how you are. Okay.
You ready now?
Ready?